So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and what we're going to do today is this all new MGHS. Well, this is more like a quick preview test drive since this vehicle is not yet officially launched yet here in the Philippines. So parang this all new MGHS HEV, this has 326 horsepower and 570 Newton meters of torque with a total EV range of 100 kilometers, and the total range is 1065 kilometers as MG claim. I can't wait to try that very soon. And the boot space, you have 441 liters, and if you fold all of the seats down, it's 1271 liters. So the looks alone on the side profile and at the rear, I think this has a lot of Euro vibes now. Well, hence MG is a Euro brand in the first place. And here in the interior, this is actually one of the best interiors if you do not count the MG Cyberstar itself. The steering wheel for me is a big highlight because there are silver trims on it, so gives a little bit more premium feel than usual. And you have tilt-and telescopic, very good. You have a instrument cluster which displays all of your important information. And here for your 12.3-inch infotainment system, you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and most of the controls are done here in the infotainment system. But I got used to it pretty quickly. And it too makes up for it. You have a 360-degree camera. You have a good enough resolution at least, and more safety features and driving modes with this MGHS. The navigation's pretty good too, and it's very responsive. Center console, you get a gear lever and more buttons here, including a wireless charging pad, and the controls of the sunroof are above you, which stretches all the way to the rear seats. And you get 2 air conditioning vents behind, along with 2 USB ports, and the space there in the back, pretty good for a crossover. First drive with this MGHS HEV. So we're now just running on pure EV mode only. Ooh. So first time I've driven an MG that's a hybrid. It's either like only gasoline or the EVs. Again, like with the ever crazy MG4X Power and the MG Cyberstar, which I love to this day. Sorry guys, I'll tone it down from now on. But a bit refreshing now with this HS because it's gonna be MG's first ever hybrid in the future. We're not allowed to bring this out since this does not have any registration. Plus, and it's not been officially launched yet here in the Philippines. So again, I think I'm the first one to drive this too in the country. Put in HEV, steering, and sport mode. I don't see any official driving modes, but let's see how 570 Newton meters of torque looks like. Ooh. And here on the slalom course. Okay, pretty nimble for a hybrid. Okay, pretty flat too in the corners. Whoa. Okay. So with this HS, surprisingly, it's pretty nimble and sporty at the same time. And yeah, it's somewhat in tune to with this class of vehicle. And it says here on the dash to your brake regen, there's only 2 modes, but I don't mind. It's either low or high only. And off the line, this is actually really sporty. So again, now that was just normal mode, what you've driven. So let's try now sport mode. Ooh. Right. I don't know what that bonging is. We're all naka-seatbelt, so apologies. Whee! Okay, so let's go back now to comfort mode. So, despite to having 570 Newton meters on the top with the engine and the EV drivetrain combo, it's still smooth on its delivery. It's not like very violent like what you get in most EVs or hybrids in general. So, yeah, this MGHS has a very bright future ahead. That's all I can say with this vehicle. No pricing, no whatever, because again, this is just a quick preview of this vehicle. So again, I'd like to thank everyone here at MG Philippines and to Sir Joshua of MG Quezon Avion. So these are his contact details. So if you wanna check out soon on this MGHS, so you highly check out their dealer, and of course more MG vehicles as well. So hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you with more MG reviews coming right up. And I'll be driving another MG after this. Bye-bye.